On YouTube, it's your boy Hayden back here with another fire video. And today we're gonna be biking down the Hoover Dam. Alright, the Hoover Dam, guys, no joke. No joke, it's the Hoover Dam. Alright, so there it is. Let's pull up and go down it. Alright, let's get it. Ooh. Creepy junk right here, guys, no lie. No lie, I'm scared as crap. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. It's going down, guys. I don't know what to do. Just dab. Right, that's all I gotta do. Dab. Hoover Dam, guys, no joke. Oh my gosh, that was epic. Oh my gosh. Guys, I just biked down the Hoover Dam. No joke. No joke, I just biked down the Hoover Dam. I was epic. Alright guys, that's gonna be all for this video. Check back.